Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable portable hotspots on this laptop. First, click these three icons on your status bar to enable Control Center. Then click this icon to go to the next page. Here you'll find mobile hotspot feature. Click on it to enable your mobile hotspot. Now you can connect to this laptop using the Wi-Fi on your other devices. Make sure that the Wi-Fi on your laptop is also turned on, which is essential. Then, if you want to access more settings of your mobile hotspot, you have to right-click this icon, go to settings, and here you will be able to switch the mobile hotspot on and off. In the share over menu, you can expand this list and decide whether you want to share your network using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can enable power saving mode. It's enabled by default, but you can enable and disable it by switching the toggle to the right or to the left respectively. And if the power mode is enabled, after some time of all devices being disconnected from your network, it will automatically turn off. In properties menu, you can change the name, password, and network band of your hotspot by clicking the edit icon right here, and then here you can change the network name. Here you can change the network password, and by expanding this list, you can decide whether you want your network to be 5G gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz. Click save, and as you can see right here, you also have a QR code which you can use for a quick connection. All you have to do is scan this QR code using any other device's camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.